If Imran Khan was in power, I think there'd be a much louder voice for Palestine. I think if Imran Khan was in power, there would be a greater shift in the Muslim world that Erdogan would be encouraged to pursue as well. So would Malaysia and the like. I think that Imran Khan in those 3 years showed what the potential huge change can happen in the Muslim world. That's why I believe he was toppled. But more than anything else, it's not just about Imran Khan. What we're seeing in Pakistan is a revolution by the people to push back against an establishment, to say to them absolutely clear, Pakistan was not supposed to serve an establishment, it was supposed to serve the Pakistani people. And for those who say, Sami, but all this is just Pakistan, what does it have to do with me? Ibadallah, I'm proof of it. I'm an Arab. The reason I know so much of what's happening in Pakistan, including the fact they kidnapped a guy called Usman Dar for 20 days. And then he pops up after 20 days on TV and says, Imran Khan told me to go burn military installations. So like clumsy the way they did it. Why does an Arab know this? Because Imran Khan's message resonated. Why does an Arab know this? Because Imran Khan made Pakistan relevant to us. Imran Khan showed us a vision where Pakistan is a key part of the Ummah.